same thing by cranking up the main halyard. As the luff is being tensioned, the point of maximum curvature moves forward, and the leading edge wrinkles disappear. The sail looks better and is drawing more efficiently. Another important mainsail control, which determines angle of attack, is the traveler. Exactly where to position this device seems to be a mystery to a great many people. A good general rule for light to moderate winds is to adjust the traveler so that the boom is on the center line of the boat. Normally, centering the boom requires the traveler to be positioned slightly to weather, as you see on your screen. If the wind picks up and the boat angle of heel is greater, the helmsman may notice an increase in weather helm, or the tendency of the boat to head up into the wind. To remove weather helm and balance the boat, ease the traveler downwind a few inches until the helm again feels comfortable. Remember, the best indicator of correct traveler adjustment is the balance of the helm. Main sheet tension controls the set of the leech, or trailing edge of the mainsail. If the main sheet is too loose, the after portion of the sail will be too flat. If it's too tight, the leech will curve to weather excessively. Both extremes will produce an inefficient aerodynamic shape. With the main sheet set much too loose, the leech has very little curvature and is set too far to leeward. Crank in on the main sheet to add curvature to the leech of the sail. A good general rule is to tension the main sheet until the top batten is parallel to the boom. With main sheet tension added, the leech has a fair curve to it, and the sail is aerodynamically correct. Another good indicator of mainsail trim and leech set are the leech telltales. If your main isn't equipped with telltales, add them. If all the telltales are flying, it's a good indication that the traveler position and the main sheet tension are correct. Remember, tension the main sheet until the top batten is parallel to the boom. In this view of our demonstration boat going to weather, the wind is blowing about 10 to 12 knots. As wind speed increases above this range, it's important to know how to flatten the main to reduce heeling forces and keep the boat on its feet. As we mentioned earlier, draft or curvature is removed from the lower portion of the mainsail by cranking out the outhaul. With reduced draft, aerodynamic side forces will be reduced and the boat will sail flatter. The necessity to reef may be avoided or delayed.